Hey guys, good day to everyone. Hindi ko alam kung ano oras nyo pinapanood pero so good day na lang. I know it hasn't been really a good day today because of how the market went. Pero well, since yun ibigay sa atin, we just have to bite the bullet and see how it goes, di ba? Anyways, so ayun, let's start off with PSE. So at the close, we racked at around 7,771.62, down by around almost 60 points or about 7 tenths of a percentage. If you remember, we are already down for about 2 weeks already. Here, yeah, from November 5, and then wala, daily, as in almost laging pababa. Medyo delikado na to dahil we are already approaching the this mark. I'll try to highlight this one. Uh, Hopefully hindi tayo umabot dito, but we are looking at around 7,500. 7,7 is still a solid support for PSE, as we could see nung Friday. So, hopefully talaga makabawi. The good news is, kung makikita nyo yung candle ng day to day, it encapsulates from the previous day, which is nung Friday. So, medyo meron pa. Hopefully, umangat more than 7-8 or umabot sana 7-9 tomorrow, para at least medyo makakita naman tayo ng positive news. Okay? So far, there are 118 declines for the whole of our market today, 46 unchanged, and only 69 ang nag-advance. Volume turnover is very, very low. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, pero mukhang nagsama-sama na silang lahat. Total turnover value of around 4.68 billion. Ang regular na volume ng PS is ranging nasa around 7.5, 7 to 7.5 eh. And as we could see here, 4.68, this is really low. It appears that a lot of the investors are already on the sideline. Well, since magpapasko na rin naman siguro. So, well, most likely that's the case. In terms of our most active, kung mapansin nyo, halos lahat pula apart from SM. Most active of around 647 million. Ali ang baba, minus 1.35, down last nung Friday, I think nag minus 2% pa ito. So just imagine, nasa 43.90 na lang siya. Followed by DMC. DMC is really okay. Kasi kanina nakikita ko to si DMC, ang baba na niya. Pero mukhang at the close ay naging unchanged pa siya. Okay. Sige. Good to know. BDO, AC, SMPH, yeah, everything is wala. Talagang mababa lahat. Top gainers. I don't see anything promising here. You can see the top gainers here, pero kung mapapansin niyo yung volume nila are really low. Si OPMB, siya lang ang medyo may magandang volume, but I think, well, sorry hindi ko kasi napapansin masyado si OPMB. But 8.45 M for him, that's kinda odd. Okay. Even, well, RLT is, this is something new. Nickel is doing well, 30 million value, so that's good. Dito naman sa top losers, yeah, A6, wow, minus 13% at 32.7 million value. Tech is already at the ano I think this is 52-week low for him. Speaking of the 52-week low, let's try to check them now. Kasi as far as I know, 52-week lows are DMC. Yeah, ayan o, makikita nyo ito. Option ng 625 kanina, which is actually, it's a 52-week low na. Um, what? else? JFC, nakita ko rin na nag-low ito kanina. Wow. Okay. So it closed at its 52-week low at 186.20. Some of the lesser known na nag 52-week lows then are tech. Yeah. Who else? Tugs, Traveler, Harbor Star. Yeah. And wala, 2.37 million lang to. CEI. CEI, wow, ang lalim ng CEI. Although maliit lang yung kanyang ano, yung value, mukhang hinatak lang siya pa ba kanina. Next up, since you guys maybe, I've seen some questions regarding DMC, why it is low or why mababa siya. Uh, there are a couple of reasons. One is the Semirara issue, wherein nagkaroon um, ng suspension sa trading sa operations. But the main thing is the MSCI rebalancing. If you guys remember, around November, sorry, last month, no, I think November na rin yun, when MSCI has rebalanced. Okay, so the final rebalancing day is tomorrow. So that's why si DMC, oops, sorry about that. So si DMC is talagang bumaba ng husto. Actually, lahat, halos lahat. Apart from DMC, AGI is also low. Well, kanina medyo umangat siya eh. Let's check. Well, mababa pa rin siya. It's on the decline group. Pero basically si DMC yung talagang medyo nakasalampak na siya sa ano dahil ang binentahan siya talaga ng gusto. If you guys are wondering what an what MSCI is, it's basically an index fund, uh, particularly MSCI Emerging Market Index. No? So every quarter, nagre-rebalance sila ng portfolio ng lahat ng emerging markets sa Asia. I think this is Asia lang. And on that calibration, they deemed na tanggalin ang AGI and DMC. And tomorrow is yung kanilang parang last day of rebalancing. So that's why, syempre, those are foreign investors. Those investors that are following these funds, these index funds, since they wanted uh, to mimic or gayahin yung MSCI fund. So since tatanggalin ni MSCI yung dalawang stock na to, then that means they'll have to pull out. And that drags the DMC and AGI in the past couple of days. And apparently, mukhang even our PSE in general is also affected. Yan, no? Um, Next up, I know guys, you have seen or some of you are already waiting for the Fruitas IPO. So this morning, actually kahapon pa, the underwriter, which is BDO Cap, have made some sabi nga nila, revealing information that Frutas is 2 times oversubscribed na. Well, hindi naman siguro, hopefully, no, maganda yung ano niya, yung pasok niya, although medyo I'm on the fence with this one dahil sa timing. Timing dahil the rebalancing and what we are seeing in the market in the past couple of weeks medyo hindi na siya maganda. Medyo maliit lang yung medyo maliit lang yung value ni Frutas and malaki yung float. So I can see this as a potential ano lang parang low value high volume trade strategy during the listing date this coming Friday. No? Ang maganda sa kanya is that, yun nga, high float, high float siya, and at the same time maliit lang yung market cap niya. So madali siyang paglaruan. That is the upside. Pero yung downside naman is number one is your what do you call this? Yung yung timing, as I mentioned kanina. Market condition is not really favorable. At the same time, medyo maliit lang yung trading week ng US. I know it can also play kasi because of the Thanksgiving celebration on Thursday sa US. So ayun, hopefully kasi ako nakapag-subscribe ako sa kanya through LSI. So I'm just praying, pero I'll definitely be on the lookout on Friday and see how it goes. Okay. On another news, kanina lumabas lang din to from Philstar. So SM bears the Gold City project, which is deemed as uh, its biggest project to date. I think it is valued at around 6.9, yeah, 6.9 billion, sprawling at around 11 hectare in around the Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Parañaque. Malapit naman siya doon, hindi naman siya actually doon, pero at least malapit lang siya in the Parañaque area. This project, according to Henry C. to Big Boy Jr., is it will be a mixed use residential and office spaces. Residential is around 15 story lang, so nasa uh, mid-rise. It is a mid-rise building, and they are looking at completing this at around the third quarter of 2024. So hopefully, matapos nga nila to. What else? Hindi ko lang na-pull out dito, no? Pero of course, the issue with Semirara, the Department of Energy suspends the coal mining and trading operations of Semirara. So, I'm quite sure tatamaan nito yung bottom line ng operations nila, and especially yung Q4 of 2019, kung kailan naman na yung prices ng coal is mababa. So, sayang. If you guys are holding the SEC for long term, or I mean siguro for short term na lang, not the long term ones. Short term to medium term, you can lighten up until such time na makarecover kasi this could lead to more downsizing pa and baka hanggang next year pa to. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the news today. Again, not a really good day today for the traders. So hopefully makabawi anytime soon. Tomorrow maybe not dahil sa final day ng rebalancing ng MSCI. But who knows, 'di ba? So, yeah. Oh, by the way, in terms of my watch list, wala. Hindi ko na siya natitingnan actually this day. Um, halos pababa na kasi lahat eh. So, sabi ko, hayaan ko na lang muna sila. Chelsea has broken na talaga yung kanyang support dito at 6.37. DD na at 20 nung nakaraan, wala. Nasa 18.72 na siya. Green, wala na din to. Malapit na siya sa support at 1.89, konting kembot na lang. And in terms of the value, wala ako nakikita masyado na activity. So, yeah. ICT, medyo maganda pa rin naman. Nasa taas, malayo pa sa sa support. Pero at least for this week, baka medyo lie low na lang din muna ako. Mag-observe na lang what will happen next. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it for me today. Hope you find it interesting. I know it has been a while since I last posted my video, and this one is uh, a daily, sorry, a daily catch up on our trades. So yes, that's it. Thank you everyone for listening. If you have questions or you'd like to share some analysis of yours, please feel free to place it on our comment section, and I'll try to answer them if you have questions, or I'll try to see baka naman mas maayos yung analysis niyo and I can learn something from it, 'di ba? So yes, that's it guys. Once again, this is Stock Silog, and I do hope